Sige na, enjoy your dinner. Salamat sis Ares. Oo, saka-live si Ricky now. Naka-live si Ricky now. Ang iyang isang account na pinadala niya. Thank you sis Ares. Sinabi mo ba sa kanya? Huwag na lang sana. Uy, Pilak! Oy! Oy, Pilak Mix TV. Nakaabot pa siya. You have 15 minutes time, Pilak. Kok. The healthy. Klabe, have to see in the moist. Cook imadort on the malab. Moist. May galap siya daw Tilak, Mix TV. Thank you, 10 people. Maraming salamat. Salamat sis Ares for information to Sir Ricky. Salamat. Kaya pala ngayon ko pa siya na Si Cardo pala si 11 people. Maraming salamat, guys. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for my precious sis. The slice farming. Thank you so much for your yesterday. You are from Japan. Thank you, the slice of farming. You have a lot of plants. Eggplant, spinach. I watching your video yesterday. You have a lot of, we have a big farm. Hello, Madam Slice. Mega love shout out, sabi ni Geraldine Mix Vlog. Thank you, host. Thank you also, sis. Maraming salamat, sis, sa iyong blessings. Thank you so much for support my channel, and worker lang tayo sa farm. No, I don't believe. I think you are the owner. Playing. Playing. Ano playing? Cardo TV. Anong playing? Pilak Mix TV. Nandyan si MC. Pilak. Playing. Anong playing? Sa MC. Nandyan sa MC. Your friend. Pilak Mix TV. It's so nice your video. I think it's you are the owner. Hindi po, worker lang talaga. Hindi ko maniwala. Hindi ako maniwala sa inyo yan eh. The slice of farming. Dan ako dito sa mo. Pilak. Geraldine Mix Vlog. Thank you so much. Pilak. Playing ko dito. Sabi ni slice of farming. Geraldine Mix Vlog. May ka-live shout out. Come to Papa Shots. Huh? Malapit na. Almost 30 shots. Come here. Come here. Wow. Pilak, I'm here in your house. Dito ako, Pilak, sa yung highlights. Highlights. Ako din siya, i-highlights,